Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a part 2 of my relaxed hair update. So if you have not, before you watch this one, make sure you go ahead and watch the part 1. I will link that video down below so that you can make sure that you watch it. And this part 2 is really going to be things that I have changed my mind about in regards to my relaxed hair. I really wanted to address some of the things that I had said in some of my previous videos, because some of these things were things that almost bit my tongue. Some of those things were things that I was really adamant about, that I had a really strong opinion on. And I felt the need to just, come back and tell y'all that my mind had changed. Some of y'all have actually peeped some of the things that I'm about to say, and y'all have been like, I thought you said you didn't do that. So that's when I knew I was like, okay, I have to make a video on these things just to get everybody up to speed and let y'all know that, like I said, I've changed my mind. And to also, because some of y'all might be trying to do the same things that I'm doing, and just trying to keep up with everything and stay on track. So that's why I wanted to make this video. So the first thing that I told y'all that I don't do anymore and that I had a very strong opinion about is the hair wrapping thing. I don't even want to admit this to y'all. I don't want to admit this to y'all because I had such a strong opinion on not wrapping my hair, and that wrapping your hair is bad for you and that you should not do it. Some of y'all might still agree with me that wrapping your hair is not good for you, but I'm going to tell you why I have changed my mind on that, okay? So I changed my mind on that because my hair has gotten longer. When I made that video, my hair was about, I'm looking right at y'all, so don't get mad, but my hair was like right here, basically, like up under my ear, basically. So, and I'll insert pictures so y'all can see. So I lost my train of thought and my neighbor's dog started barking. Because I was trying to figure out how I'm gonna put my thoughts together and relay them to y'all. Okay, so it was very hard for me to wrap my hair, okay? It was hard for me to wrap my hair, and my hair did not look right when I wrapped it. So I had to come up with something else, which is why I came up with that technique of just using the scarf to wrap around the perimeter, or I don't even remember how I used to do it. I think I used to I don't know. I don't do that no more, okay? And my hair was very thick during that time when I was not wrapping it. And I did feel like I did have a lot of shedding previously when I was wrapping my hair, which is why I shared that in my video. But now that I'm looking back and actually analyzing the situation, because I have very minimal shedding with my hair now, I attribute that to how I actually take care of my hair, the products that I'm using, my hair routine, all of that, as to why I no longer have a shedding issue. Previously, when my hair was longer and I was wrapping it, I was having shedding issues. My hair would shed during wash days. My hair would shed when I combed it. My hair was just shedding overall. And I think that that's something that I didn't really take account of or recollect when I made that video and when I told y'all that I don't wrap my hair anymore. So I wanted to let y'all know that I have changed. I do wrap my hair. I have not been experiencing any damage, any excessive breakage, anything like that from wrapping my hair. In fact, I have seen mostly, I have something on the ground, so that's why I keep looking on the ground. But I've seen mostly improved benefits from wrapping my hair. And the benefits that I've seen have been, my scalp has been a lot cleaner since I've been wrapping my hair, and I attribute that to just the brush and the wrapping motion provides that exfoliation and keeps my scalp clean. Also, my hair has been a lot less tangled because my hair is pretty much compressed and laid together at night, and it doesn't have the chance to like intermingle and tangle up. And also my hair is a lot less dry now that I'm wrapping it, because my natural oils are just doing what they are supposed to do, and they are getting circulated around my hair strands. So that's why I have made the decision. That's not why I made the decision to wrap my hair. I made the decision to do it because my hair was getting longer and my hair was starting to look crazy with me not wrapping it. So that's why I made the decision to do it. But with me doing it, I have not experienced any setbacks or any harmful effects to my hair. The second thing that I have changed when it comes to my relaxed hair, and something that I wanted to bring to you guys' attention as well, because I believe I had mentioned this in a video too, I do not try as many products as I used to try. When I first started my relaxed hair journey over again in February, I believe I was saying that like it's important to have like multiple different products for your hair for each thing. Like you should have multiple different shampoos, you should have multiple different conditioners, you should have multiple different this, and you should have multiple different that. And while you can do that, like I'm not gonna sit up here and tell y'all I only use one conditioner, I only use one oil, I only use one shampoo. No, I'm not gonna sit up here and tell y'all that. But what I will say is that I do not think that is necessary. I don't think that's necessary. Now, the reason why I thought it was necessary at that time is because the girl that was doing my hair was saying that, and granted, this was earlier in the beginning when I had just started my relaxed hair journey. She was asking me what I was using on my hair. She was basically telling me that the products that I was using on my hair might have gotten used to, because they were not providing the levels of conditioning and moisturization. I don't think that's the word, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. They wasn't doing what they was supposed to do. And she was saying that it was possibly because my hair had gotten used to that. And that made sense to me, because I hear the same thing with our skin. I hear that our skin can get used to certain products, and it's good to kind of like rotate your products out every now and then. So that made sense to me. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna have such and such of this and such amount of that, and I'm gonna try different things, because I don't want my hair to get used to nothing, because everything I put on her needs to work. Okay, that's what I was thinking. But now that I have been on this journey for a few months, it's been about 10 months since I made the commitment to start over my relaxed hair journey. I have a slightly different opinion on that. I don't think that you don't ever have to try new products. I think it's fun to try new products, and I think it can be good to try new products, because you could possibly find that thing that strikes your hair gold, that your hair absolutely loves, that works really good for you. But my thing on how I am going to go about trying new products is going to be either, I really like that product line. Like you guys have seen me try all of the Silk Elements products because I really love that line. And that line of products, I don't know if I'm saying that right. Not that line, that brand of products work really well for my hair. So, yeah, I will try products, under a same brand that have worked really well for my hair, especially if they have did wonders for my hair. I might try a few others, okay? And that's what you guys have seen me do with the Silk Elements. And as well as, if you see someone use a product and you really like the results that they got from the product, I don't see any harm in trying that either. And I've actually peeped a few other influencers videos and like, that looks really good. Like I really love her results. That's how I'm trying to get my hair to look. I'm going to try that. Her hair looks similar to mine. I'm going to try that. I don't see any harm with that. But to be going in Sally's or just going in a beauty supply and just picking up stuff just to try it, I'm not doing that no more, because I found that what my hair likes, she likes, and it's no need to just like keep trying new stuff if I'm not sure how that's going to go, or if I don't have any merit that that's going to be a good product for me, because that might actually do more harm than good. I find that being consistent, giving my hair the consistent dose of the things that she already likes has been working, and that's what I'm going to stick to. Another thing that I have not been doing so much of, I don't really want to admit this either. I don't want to admit this either because I feel like this might come out or come off the wrong way, but I'm gonna say it anyway. So one thing that I have not been doing as much anymore is I have not been watching so much relaxed hair content. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. You guys are probably thinking, well, you make relaxed hair content. Like, don't you want to support other girls that have relaxed hair? Or don't you want to see what other relaxed hair girls are doing? Or don't you want to get like other like tips and things like that? To a certain extent, okay, to a certain extent. And let me explain, and I'm gonna choose my words very carefully as to why I do not do this anymore. So the first reason and the main reason why I don't really watch relaxed hair girls anymore is because everyone has their own way of doing things, and with me making content, I want to make sure that I am very genuine and what I bring you guys, and that I am not overly influenced by other influencers, because that is the thing. And I don't know if you guys have seen this or not. Sorry, y'all, I got something on the floor that I'm working on over here, but I don't know if you guys have ever seen before, but have you guys, let me know if you guys have seen this, because I think it's so funny when I see this. But you guys may have an influencer that you really like. You really like that influencer. And, you know, we live in a social media world today. So you obviously, I'm pretty sure you have another influencer that you really like as well. And you watch both of those influencers a lot, okay? And one of the influencers that you watch might be slightly bigger than the other influencer that you watch. And when you watch, I hope I'm not confusing y'all. When you watch the smaller influencer, you notice that some of their language that they use, some of their mannerisms, some of the things that they do is very familiar to someone else that you know. And while that is not a bad thing, I don't think that's a bad thing at all. I think we're all influenced by a lot of people, especially influencers, because they're cool and that's their job to influence us, okay? But I don't want to be overly influenced where I'm not original, I'm not unique, and I'm just like copying other girls, copying other people. I really don't want to do that. I'd rather be the one influencing than be the one who's overly influenced. And I'm always going to be learning. I'm always going to be getting ideas, you know. I'm always going to be, you know, not always, but, you know, sometimes I do see what the other girls are doing. And I do have people that I would consider my friends that make relaxed hair content. So I will support them. But just overly indulging in relaxed hair content, I will not do anymore. I do have my favorites that I watch. I have a couple of my friends that do relaxed hair videos. And I just have people that I really but I really give them their flowers, like with what they say in regards to hair. And I don't want to say believe what they're saying. I don't really like that word in this context, but y'all get what I'm saying. Like, I really trust what they're saying. I do have a few people like that, as well as I watch natural hair girls. I watch professional stylists. I watch a little bit of everything. But mainly, I watch a lot of inspirational content on YouTube. I watch a lot of cooking videos. I watch a lot of femininity channels. Those are the main channels that I like to watch. And then hair and beauty kind of get sprinkled in whenever I have time, basically, or whenever I want to do some research. So yeah, and then another reason, no, I feel like the reason I gave y'all was good enough, but yeah, y'all get it. And then I'm gonna share one more reason, because I feel like I can. I feel like it's a good example to share here. But another reason why I chill like on so much hair content that I watch and so much stuff that I consume and believe, that's why I always tell y'all, take what I say with a grain of salt, because I do not know everything. I'm not a stylist. I'm not a chemist. I'm not a scientist. I'm not none of that, okay? I'm not none of that. Like, I'm a mom and I work a little corporate job. Like, that's that's what I do, okay? And I do beauty and my own hair on the side, okay? So don't never take what I say. You know, I'm not saying don't listen to what I say, because I be know what I'm talking about, but I'm just saying, like, if you don't agree with something that I say, then you don't have to agree with it, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. But I was watching this, I'm not gonna give too much information. I was watching this person on YouTube, and this person had very strong opinions about the specific topic that they were talking about. Like, very strong opinions. Their opinions were so strong that they were basically and almost like refuting like stuff that other people would say, and like basically telling their audience that other people were wrong and that other people like need to, like, I don't want to say too much, but they had a really strong opinion on this topic that they were talking about. And y'all, I was very disappointed, because I found out something about this person, and this person revealed something on their channel. And I think this person is okay with what they revealed and they're happy with it. But I'm like, how are you preaching this and this and this and telling people that this is wrong and being so adamant about it, when yours is like not good? Like, I will never, you know, try to make it seem like my hair is this and my hair is that and my hair is perfect and I know everything, because I most certainly do not. But and this person has a lot of subscribers, so I was just like, wow, like that also just made me want to that also made me want to make this video, because I want to be as honest as I can with y'all on my journey, everything I'm doing, what works, what doesn't work, what I changed my mind on, and everything like that. So I really hope that you guys have found value in my channel and that you appreciate my honesty and my transparency that I have tried to give. And you guys know me pretty well, so if there's anything that you think I had changed my mind on as far as when it comes to hair, or things that you peeped that I did in the beginning that I no longer do now, feel free to call me out and leave me a comment on it, or just let me know if you agree with anything that I've shared in this video. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.